Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can set a custom notification sound on Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. In order to use your own sound for notifications, you need to go to settings. Over here, go to sound and vibration, scroll down a little bit until you find the default notification sound, and then tap on this option. Of course, you will open the list of default notification sounds available on this device. However, at the bottom you have add notification button, so we can press it. And now we will open the list of audio files that we have saved on our device. So of course you need to have your new custom notification downloaded on this device, or you can use any other method in fact. But nevertheless, once you have your audio file on your device, then you can select it over here, and if you press it you will also hear the preview. If you want to replay, then over here on the right side you can do that. And in order to confirm, in the top right corner over here we have this check. You can press it, and then over here switch to your new notification sound. Keep in mind that you have to change on this list, because it is not set automatically after you add your own sound. And then press OK, and that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.